Alright guys, we made it back to Knott's Berry Farm to give you guys a massive update at MonteZOOma's and also give you guys some scary farm updates. So, if you're ready, I'm ready, let's go. As we entered inside of Knott's Berry Farm, we got a little bit of the same construction. There's not that much updates happening to it. I think they're kind of stalling it out just for now. Maybe they'll make it into a grab and go, a little shopping center, or just literally refurbish it.
Alright, so here at Camp Snoopy, this part right here, we were kind of back and forth on whether it be concrete or even grass, and now it's starting to look like there's a little bit of concrete laid down into it. A circular thing right there. There is some electrical wire coming out of it. I'm just unsure. I'm still unsure on what this will be. This can't be something that just gonna, throw some foliage on here, throw some benches, and then just kind of leave this. Man, if that does happen, man, what a huge miss by Knott's Berry Farm. I don't know. What do you guys think? Let me know in the chat.
Now let's talk about the elephant in the room. MonteZOOma. MonteZOOma's Revenge. MonteZOOma's Forbidden Fortress. We just don't know at this point. But they are really getting it prepped up, dude. Look at that. The loop-de-loop has finally arrived. I am excited. It looks fantastic. It's all red. It kind of looks like the red and yellow theme to it as well. So are we getting the MonteZOOma's Forbidden Fortress? I'm unsure about that just about yet because we don't know what the attraction is going to look like for it. Did we finally get the permits and everything else that we need to get done? Because they are literally doing a massive overhaul over at MonteZOOma's Revenge. We still don't get the building set up just about yet, but the loop-de-loop is here, and man, I have to say, it is awesome to definitely see Jaguar zoom right through that loop-de-loop. Finally, it has been quite some time since we've actually seen Jaguar do that. I'm so for it. I'm excited. I got to see a lot of people actually looking at the loop-de-loop, excited about it. So let's start welding this thing up. Let's start pushing this thing out. There's still more pieces over La Palma, but it's almost there.
Oh, howdy, my name's Boise, and I'm part of the train Bandits, aka the No Good Gang.
The No Good Gang.
Yeah, because we ain't no good at nothing. Except
True.
robbing the train, kind of.
Nice. Okay, so have you got any trinkets today? Oh, okay.
No. I did get a couple pennies and this coin.
Oh, the calico coin.
Yeah, I didn't steal it from a kid.
Wait. I see some $100 bills up there.
No, you don't.
Let's talk about Scary Farm.
Alright guys, so here at Origins, we finally got some updates. They're starting to get some prep done for Origins, Curse of Calico.
I will still, to this day, say that has to be Arkham Asylum. It's slowly but surely getting into the grittiness, the darker, deeper colors, the grays. It's getting there. It is truly getting there to make it look like something spooky, something Arkham. Let's go DC Universe, let's do this. Well, check it out, look at this, Knott's Berry Farm, $24.99. I think this is one of them that's actually new here. Before we head out, this has been such a major miss for Knott's Berry Farm, is the Knott's Ghost Town Live merch. It's just completely missed, completely overshadowed. We get some brand new updates here for some of the Ghost Town merch, but this is the Ghost Town merch, not the Ghost Town Live merch. So that was a quick update over at Knott's Berry Farm. Quick update. There's not that much. We were last here for Ghost Town Live. This time around, it's just a quick, fast update for you guys. If you guys really enjoyed this video, give it an awesome thumbs up. Now, if you guys love coverage content like this at Knott's Berry Farm, make sure right now you guys are subscribed if you guys haven't just about yet. And now we are onward to the next fun adventure. Let's go.